Cozyllio is an online shopping website that raises multiple concerns when closely examined, especially for buyers who value transparency and proven trust. The site appears to have a very limited online footprint, with little to no verifiable history, brand presence, or trustworthy customer feedback, which is often a warning sign for new or unreliable e-commerce stores. While Cozyllio may look professional on the surface and uses standard security features like HTTPS, these elements alone do not guarantee legitimacy, as many scam websites also use the same basic protections. Another red flag is the lack of clear company information, such as a verifiable business address, ownership details, or responsive customer support, making it difficult for buyers to resolve issues if something goes wrong. Reports and patterns commonly associated with similar websites include delayed shipping, products that do not match descriptions, poor communication, or no delivery at all. Due to the combination of low transparency, absence of strong customer reviews, and typical risk indicators found on questionable online stores, Cozyllio should be approached with caution. Until there is consistent proof of positive buyer experiences and clearer business credibility, shoppers are advised to avoid making purchases or to use only payment methods that offer strong buyer protection.